ranch, and welcome to Rock and Roll Redneck Outdoors. Mark going to pick up, that's Cash, going to pick up Mike for his first ever archery season. He has the crossbow. I have the Matthews VX3. Not exactly sure how we're gonna work this weekend. So anyway, I'm stuck in traffic trying to get across this big ass town, pick up Mike. We're gonna head to the ranch. Not exactly sure, like I said, if we're gonna hunt tomorrow morning, if we're gonna hunt together, or if we're gonna hunt separately and let Mike just feed him to the wolves, let him self-film his first archery hunt. I did it. Here's a little clip of that. That means I shot 3 times the first time I tried that. That's right. But anyway, got a lot of nice bucks on camera this year. I got a lot more nicer bucks than I've ever had that I can remember. Of course, I killed my best deer ever last year, which I've probably said 55 times on this channel by now. But anyway, just trying to kill time in traffic. Me and my buddy are stuck in traffic. And I'm going to talk to myself because that's what normal people do, right? Talk to themselves or to people that are not even in the present time, because this will be done later. But anyway, let's pretend like there's no traffic and we're instantly there. Hey, what are you doing?
Getting my bow, my shooter's ready.
What kind of crossbow is that?
There's a Barnett Hyper XP 405.
And this is your first?
This is my first hunt, bow hunt, period.
Archery.
Our archery hunt, period. So,
I'm just being an ass.
I'm pretty stoked.
Yeah, we got, everything's nocturnal. I'm filming Mike tonight for his first ever archery hunt. I'm taking my bow with me just in case. In fact, I need to go get it since we're talking about that. But yeah. We're going out for our first sit of the 2024-25 season. Here we go.
My first archery hunt ever. I'm excited. I've filmed before for this guy,
but we didn't shoot anything.
So, yeah, wish us luck.
I've got my bow also, so this might be a twofer, but we're in there way early because we don't know what we're doing.
Pretty much.
And everything's nocturnal, so hopefully one of them will slip up tonight. This is the brand new blind. And if you'd like to let us talk more, we can just keep doing that, because I'm good at that. But anyway, we're going to settle back. He'll probably nap.
No, not today. Not today, Junior, not today.
It's the first round of the season. Let's go.
Yeah.
All right. Our first outing was good. We saw a big doe. We saw her, I guess it would be a yearling. She was a big girl. They kind of figured something was a little off, so they snorted and kind of trotted off a little bit. That was late in the hunt. We sat there for 3 hours, 3.5 hours, and didn't see nothing but breeze. It's so green out here, though. There's not a. I mean, they're not looking for the corn. They've got food everywhere. But it was a good sighting. It's good news. We did see her. We did see something. Let's put it that way. And yeah, I'm not worried about my hair this time. So anyway.
That's in a different video.
Yeah.
Check the shorts for that one.
On hard, guys.
And we'll be there tomorrow morning anyway.
Yep.
Alright guys, it's day 2. Hunt number 3 this morning was worthless. Wasn't even worth getting up. We are gonna give this one more shot, and hopefully we can get a good, put some meat on the table or something. Anyway, we'll see you in a bit.
You're a dick. You're a dick. You're a dick. Oh! Oh, God damn it! Wow, what an exciting weekend we had. Oh, wait. Well, you know, we saw one deer and they knew we were there. Or we saw 2 deer. Let me rephrase that. We saw 2 whole deer and a couple of birds and nothing else. However, anytime in the woods with your best friend and your good buddy is a good time. Pay attention to the road. Just kidding. So unfortunately, we didn't get Mike's first ever archery kill, but that'll be a new episode to come if I make this into an episode, because the Roadrunner. Wow, awesome. Best part of the trip was the Roadrunner, besides hanging out with my buddy. So anyway, if this comes into a video, make sure you've liked it because it's really awesome. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, notification, merchandise on the website, all linked in the description. Have a great hunting season, everybody, and hunt hard.